Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best front and rear dash cams on Amazon. Reliable dash camera can not only protect you after a crash, but it can also help prevent you from getting in one in the first place. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Vantrum N43 Channel 4K Dash Cam. 2-channel dash cam setups are sufficient for most drivers, but taxi and rideshare drivers would likely want to look into a 3-channel setup for an additional cabin cam. Just like a dash camera recording out of the front of your vehicle helps protect you in the case of an accident by documenting what really happened, a cabin cam can protect rideshare drivers should a passenger cause an issue during a ride. Or maybe you just want to create YouTube compilations of your weirdest passengers. Either way, the Vantrum N4 is a great option if you're in the market for an affordable 3-channel dashcam setup. What we like about it: IR lights discreetly illuminate the cabin. 18-month extendable warranty. 24-hour parking mode for constant monitoring. Heat-resistant supercapacitor. What we don't like about it: no Wi-Fi or Bluetooth support. GPS sold separately. Number 2. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. All the 2 and 3-channel ultra-high-resolution dash cams are great options if you need the additional coverage and features they offer, but if all you're looking for is a simple, out-of-sight dash camera, then Garmin's Mini 2 is a serious contender. At the size of a car key, the Mini 2 can discreetly mount behind your rearview mirror with a minimal footprint. The Mini 2 records in 1080p video at 30 fps through its 140-degree field of view Garmin Clarity HDR optics. Although the Mini 2 is relatively stripped back in its functions, it still offers a parking guard feature, live view through the Garmin app, and Wi-Fi file transfer. What we like about it: ultra-small key-sized footprint. Storage up to 512 GB. Garmin app allows for live view and cloud storage. Voice control allows for hands-free operation. What we don't like about it: 1080p resolution may not capture small details. Relatively expensive given its features. Number 3. Rolta V1P 4K Car Dash Cam. This front camera captures 4K video at an ultra-wide 170-degree field of view. Thanks to its 8MP CMOS sensor, the V1P produces native 4K video, but be warned, many supposedly 4K cameras, including some of Rolta's cheaper options, are only 2K cameras digitally upscaled to 4K. If you find yourself needing to read a license plate number from a hit and run, it's important to know you're getting the resolution you're paying for. Thanks to the integration of the same Sony StarVis tech found in the U1000, the V1P offers solid low-light recording performance, although some users say it still fails to match the quality of Thinkware's nighttime performance. What we like about it: 4K front camera captures license plate level detail. Built-in Wi-Fi for file transfer. Supercapacitor allows for better heat management. 2.4-inch LCD display view without having to go through a phone. What we don't like about it: lacks more advanced features. 1080p rear camera may not capture small details. Number 4. Thinkware Flagship Dual-Channel Dash Cam. Thinkware's range of dash cams runs the gamut on prices and features, with the U1000 standing as their pinnacle offering. With a 4K UHD 30fps front camera and a 2K QHD 30fps camera in the rear, the U1000 offers the best outright resolution on the market today. The front camera also can record in 2K QHD at 60 fps if speed takes precedence over outright resolution for your uses. Sony's StarVis sensor integration helps to make the U1000 one of the best low-light dash cams available. Alongside its industry-leading video capabilities, the U1000 also comes with a host of other features. What we like about it: 4K UHD front camera captures license plate level detail. Surveillance mode monitors for impact while parked. Supercapacitor allows for better heat management. Built-in GPS. What we don't like about it: high price point compared to competitors. Some users report app bugs. Number 5. Blackvue DMS Plus. Widely considered Thinkware's biggest competitor, Blackvue makes a large range of premium dashcams for every need. This stands at the top of its offerings, with an 8MP CMOS sensor recording 4K UHD, 30 FPS video at the front. While the DR900X does rival the U1000 in its front camera performance, we placed it here for its unique AI-powered driver monitoring system. The AI algorithm detects issues such as drowsy driving, distracted driving, hand distraction, and more. What we like about it: 4K UHD front camera captures fine details. AI-driven driver monitoring system. Native parking mode. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. What we don't like about it: high relative cost. Only one external camera. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.